Space junk. A growing concern. Space junk, or orbital debris, refers to defunct satellites, rocket fragments, and other man-made objects orbiting Earth. With thousands of pieces speeding at up to 28,000 km per hour, even tiny fragments pose serious risks to spacecraft, satellites, and astronauts. The increasing amount of debris threatens the safety of current and future space missions. Risk of collisions with satellites. Active satellites are crucial for communication, navigation, and weather forecasting. However, the dense clutter of space junk increases the chances of collisions, which could disrupt essential services. The Kessler syndrome, a scenario where cascading collisions create more debris, could make low Earth orbit unusable for decades. Threat to spacecraft and astronauts. Spacecraft and manned missions are particularly vulnerable to space debris. Even small particles can puncture spacecraft walls or damage critical systems. For astronauts conducting spacewalks, the risk of high-speed debris is life-threatening, making precise tracking and mitigation efforts essential. Challenges for future space exploration. As humanity plans missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, space junk poses a significant challenge. Navigating through cluttered orbits increases mission costs and complexities. Ensuring safe passage for rockets and landers will require advanced tracking systems and debris removal technologies. Impact on scientific research. Space telescopes and research satellites are also at risk from debris. Collisions could damage instruments, delay scientific missions, or result in the total loss of valuable data. The threat of debris limits the lifespan of many research-oriented spacecraft. Cleaning up space junk. Efforts to tackle space junk include developing technologies like nets, harpoons, and robotic arms to capture debris. Some companies are exploring satellite designs with self-removal mechanisms to minimize future debris. However, these solutions are expensive and technically challenging, requiring global cooperation. Legal and policy challenges. Managing space debris also involves legal and regulatory hurdles. Countries and private entities must agree on international guidelines for reducing and removing debris. Without cooperation, the problem could escalate, hindering future exploration and innovation in space. The need for global collaboration. Tackling space junk demands collective efforts from governments, private companies, and researchers. Developing sustainable space practices and investing in innovative solutions are crucial to ensure safe and accessible orbits for future generations. Protecting the future of space. Space is a shared resource, and its protection is vital for humanity's progress. Addressing the growing problem of space junk is not just about safeguarding missions but also about preserving the long-term potential of space exploration for scientific, commercial, and humanitarian purposes.